Hi friends, it's me Nikki here to share with you some of my budget-friendly tips for decorating your home, so let's get started. Okay, so let's start with the first tip, which is coffee table books. I love coffee table books. I love sitting them out on a bookcase or a coffee table in the living room area. I think that they have dual function. Not only are they beautiful, but they are beauty inside and outside. They are something that you can offer your family and friends as really a great experience, because I like keeping a variety of subjects such as automobiles and cooking, things that will kind of entice you to kind of go through the beautiful pages. Now, with them having the beautiful pages, they are expensive. So instead of spending all that money on coffee table reads, what you can do is shop at your local library. And it makes so much sense because you can check out the books for free. They have so many books, and the wonderful thing is that you can switch them out. So because you turn the library books in, you can switch them out to fit your needs. And I went to the library and picked out these specifically on subjects like birds and photography and even Whitney Houston. And so I love the fact that you can do that at no cost. Now, tip number 2 is about incorporating lampshade. So we know that our light fixtures are expensive, but we also know that they provide a huge impact in the space. So what I do is I buy partner shades to all my light fixtures. If you go through my house, you will see that the majority of my light fixtures have shades with them that I've bought separately. I do this because it gives me the opportunity on a budget to give my room 2 different looks. So in the fall, if I need to switch it up and I want to refresh, I simply put the shades on, and then when I want a different look, I simply take them off. It's really a budget-friendly way to really change your room in a great way. Okay friends, my next tip is semi-DIY. You know, we all love a beautiful bookcase in our living room, such as I love mine's here, but it's a semi-DIY. I took a china cabinet, I put the top half in my kitchen over my coffee bar. It wasn't anything that was built in, it was an actual china cabinet that we painted, and then we bought a cabinet for the bottom, so it's bought items and it's grouped together to make it look like a unit. The same was done in my living room. So shop your local Goodwill, find those pieces of furniture that speak to you, and then add on to them, and they make it look as if you have paid someone to come in and custom build you a piece, and you've spent very little money. Okay friends, let's talk candlesticks, because this is one of my favorite decor items because it's so versatile in the fact that it can stand alone individually or it can be grouped together beautifully. And I like going to estate sales and finding really beautiful candlesticks, each one having its own character, but when you put them together, they really give a beautiful look and they give you a lot of versatility in your home. I have had these on my mantle for the longest. I love the look, but when I want to switch up and give my home a refresh, I can easily take a few, group them together and give myself a different look throughout my home. The thing about candlesticks is that you can do so many different things with them. Not only can they provide be for a candle, you can use them as planters by putting greenery. You can attach a plate and it could be kind of a plate stand. They have so much versatility and they allow you to group each other together. Even though they're all so different individually, when you group them together, they look like a set. So when you shop for things, go to those yard sales and those estate sales and get those beautiful candlesticks, because in your home, they can really take you throughout your home and provide a lot of beauty on a budget. Okay friends, let's talk about those outdated pieces and how to update the home. A lot of times you find things in Goodwill, but they look so dated, or you go through your home and it just feels dated, and it may be because of the accessories. So one thing that you can do that is budget friendly is get you a can of high gloss spray paint, because this is a simple way that you can take that piece that maybe look dated because it has colors that are no longer fitting of your home, or they just, sometimes you may have a piece that's from the 80s and it just does not fit into your style today. I found this vase for $3 at Goodwill and I fell in love with it. I thought that the shape was absolutely gorgeous, but the design on it, not that it was ugly, it just did not fit my style or my home. So I picked up some high gloss, or just regular gloss, it wasn't high gloss spray paint, and I was going to give it a beautiful coat because I loved the vase. I thought that the vase was absolutely a perfect fit as far as the shape. And when you go through your home, you will see that a lot of things, the shape of it is absolutely gorgeous. It's the color. And by simplifying it, it really fit my home. I thought it was absolutely beautiful, and I loved having it in the space now, and I felt like for $3 I got me a great little planter there. So get that spray paint out. It's a very budget-friendly way to update those little accessories if you do not want to purge them from your home and you want to try to update them in your space today. I hope you've enjoyed my tips today on decorating your home. If you like these kind of videos, definitely let me know. I also want to let you know I got a new channel, At Home with Pets. It's Bentley and Albert's channel, where we'll be sharing all kinds of things like pet organization, shopping haul for pets, all kind of pet tips that I'm learning along the way. I'll link it below. Have a beautiful day. I will see you at the next video. And this is Nikki saying goodbye.